In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Gumtree. If you're getting updates or promotional messages from Gumtree that you no longer want to receive, the good news is that this is usually very quick to change from your account settings. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. To begin, go to the Gumtree website. Once the homepage loads, look for the menu option. This is where Gumtree keeps the main account and navigation settings, so if you're trying to change something related to your profile or preferences, this is the place to start. Click on Menu to open it. After that, look for the option called My Details and select it. This section contains your personal account settings, including the preferences that control how Gumtree communicates with you. When the My Details page opens, take a moment to look through the settings until you find the Marketing Preferences area. This is the section that controls whether Gumtree can send you marketing notifications, promotional updates, or similar messages. If your goal is to stop those notifications, this is the setting you need to change. In the Marketing Preferences section, you'll see a toggle. Switch that toggle off. Once it's turned off, your marketing notifications should be disabled. In most cases, the setting updates right away, but if you see a Save button anywhere on the page, make sure to click it so your change is fully applied. That's all it takes. By turning off the Marketing Preferences toggle, you can reduce or stop the promotional notifications you receive from Gumtree. A quick tip before you go. If you still receive certain messages afterward, keep in mind that some notifications may be related to important account activity, listings, or direct messages rather than marketing. Those types of alerts are often managed separately, so the marketing preference mainly affects promotional communication. It's also a good idea to double check the setting after you change it, especially if you're using a mobile browser and the page reloads automatically. Just confirm the toggle remains off before leaving the page. And that's how to turn off notifications on Gumtree. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your account preferences.